Hello everyone and welcome to Lancaster Quilt Week. We'd like to thank our sponsor Janome for generously providing a sewing machine for our giveaway today. Gloria will do the honors and draw the name out of the hopper. Oops, don't trip on that. Oh, yeah, you're fine, I was watching. And today's winner is Annette Barone from Pennsylvania. Congratulations. I was waiting for the it's me, but she's not here.
From where?
Well, she just said Pennsylvania. From Pennsylvania.
A big thank you to Janome for providing this wonderful gift, and I'm excited because my friend has one and she loves it. My friend Kathy McGee.